In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple pages on a card website. If you've ever wanted to add more sections or simulate a multi-page experience for your visitors on card, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Even if you're brand new to card, I'll explain everything from the very beginning to make sure you feel confident building out your site. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to card.co. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which you'll find right in the middle of the page. Click it and log in using your existing card account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with any sites you've already created. From here, select the website you want to work on by clicking on it. Now, we're inside the editor for your card website. What we want to do next is set up the sections that will act as our different pages. To do this, click on the Add an Element button, usually represented by a big plus sign. From the menu, choose Control. This is a handy element that helps us break up the page and separate content into sections, which we'll use for our navigation. After you've added a control element, move the dividing line to where you want your first page break. This might be after your home section, before an about section, or wherever your new page should begin. Next, it's important to rename this section so you can easily identify it later when we add navigation. For example, you might call it Page 1. This label is what we'll use to link from your navigation buttons. Once you've labeled your section, click the Done button to save your changes. Now let's set up navigation so visitors can jump between your sections like separate pages. Click Add again, then select Buttons from the options that appear. Inside this element, click to add a new button. Name the button according to the section it will go to, like Page 1. In the URL or link field, enter Match Page 1 to match the label you just used for your section. This anchors the button to jump directly to that part of your site. Hit Done to save the button. To add more pages, repeat the process, add another control element for each new section, give it a unique name, and create buttons that link to those sections. For a button that returns to your home page, simply use your site's main URL in the link field. Once your navigation is set, click Publish in the top right corner. If prompted, confirm you want to publish the latest changes. When that's complete, click View Site to see your website live. Test the buttons you added like Page 1 and Page 2 to make sure navigation between sections works smoothly. And that's all there is to it. You've now created the effect of multiple pages on your card website. This technique is perfect for portfolios, small business sites, or any project where you want to keep everything in one place but still help visitors browse easily. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps as you build your own multi-page card site.